You're not going to get any more level than that.
Right.
Oh man, can I take a picture of this? This is like perfect level.
That piece looks a little bit warped. Go ahead. Golly, that piece is warped. Push that saw behind you. Kick it all the way in.
You need your glasses, James.
It's level.
You're welcome.
Your end needs to come up a little bit. How's it look?
It looks pretty good.
What are you doing? You trying to show off your muscles? I think it's pretty good. It wouldn't hurt to come up just a hair
On
on
which
that
side?
on that end.
On which end?
Your end.
Can you get it up? No, there you go. You're good. You're good. Okay.
That looks good right there. Well, this is what we got done on day one. We're going to call it quits. We're both pretty tired, and it's hot and humid. We're both soaking wet, but we got two pieces done back here on the back. So we will come back out in the morning and do a little bit of framing on that side of the wall there so we can hang another piece. And then we're going to probably do these gable ends, which is going to be a job too. But I think it looks pretty good so far, so we will pick it up first thing in the morning.
1, 2, 3. that's perfectly level.
Oh, missed. Hold on. Oh, you got it?
Well, I thought I had it and it about took me out.
Could have helped you. Okay. One, two, three. Oh, bless you.
How am I supposed to do this by myself?
You've been carrying full sheets by yourself.
I know, but I didn't want to mess up the...
You're not going to mess nothing up. Well, it's the end of the second day, and Lydia and I both are hot, tired, sweaty, and just ready to go get something to eat and take a shower. It's been a hot, humid day, but we have gotten the inside two walls of the storage building completed, and let me go in here and show you what it looks like. Okay, here's the inside. We just got that back wall and this side done. And for all the people that have seen my dry pour concrete video, here's the slab, still here, has not cracked, has not blown away, so everything's still good with it. But yeah, I think it's going to look really good. Here's the outside. I still have to do the top pieces. We just got the bottom part, and this is going to be the where we're going to store all of our firewood. Still have to put up the pieces to the end gables there, and then we're going to, hopefully this week, we're going to start framing the gable in. We're not experts at putting T1-11 up or any kind of siding, so, but it looks really good, and I think we've done a pretty good job. So just tune in this week. Hopefully we'll be able to come up here some after work and get a couple hours in and see how much we can get done, but the video will continue. All right, we'll use this warped bed sheet. 24 and a half is right there. So I need to go 2 foot. All right, time out. I'm gonna go 2 foot, ½ inch.
You have to go 12 inches more than that.
Oh, okay.
You have to go 24
That
and a half.
was-
You have to go 36
Okay,
and a half.
that was 24 and a half. Okay.
Right. So now you go 36 and a half is what you said.
Right. Good catch. Well, that ain't working. You sure?
36 and a half.
36 and a half. 37 and a half.
48 and a half, right? You said 12
Oh.
inches longer, right?
How much? 48 and a half. 48 and a half.
Yes, sir. That's what you said.
Oh, God, smack my finger. Right, push it back to me. Let me tack it right here. You got it? Well, that looks pretty good. Put your hand up there and hold it.
Got it.
Is there a stud right here? Looks like it.
Yeah, looks like it.
Alright, just slip on down. Oh, it's wet. Oh. Split down, split down. It's too high. I don't push it. Crap, it's not gonna work. I gotta figure this out. Sit there. 48 and a quarter. 36. What is this thing?
Oh, shoot. You got to go over just a little bit more.
I do.
Yeah.
Don't let this thing.
Like a there. Okay, that's a little too far. Sorry. You got to come back just a tad.
Lydia and I have gotten this gable side completed now. We went to Lowe's to get some sealer. We got some storms moving in this afternoon with some heavy rain, so we want to get some sealant on the siding. But we think it turned out pretty good. There's a few things I need to do. I need to put a strip down to where the seam is, and I got to block in a few spots. But we got this whole side done. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the sealant on this whole side, and we're going to do on the back side and go ahead and get that thing sealed up nice, because like I said, the rain's coming in tonight. We don't want it to start mildewing, because on the back side it'll splash up on the back and stay wet, and we don't want it to mildew. So we're going to get busy and start working on that. Come here, Cash. You smell that food, Cash? I bet you do. Cash wants your biscuit. Oh, Cash, buddy. Hey, buddy.
I think that's doing.
Huh?
Yeah, that does good. I don't know if it's probably better than the roller.
I mean, it's. It's putting a lot on there.
Yeah, that overspray is going to get on you.
It's running down. It's running down the grooves anyway. Can you see it running down the cracks?